Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. For your daily energies, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So I have given the timestamp in the description. You can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. It's going to be an elaborate love reading, so you can watch that reading, guys. Don't miss on that. So let's start with your daily reading. Aries, the Star in reverse, Six of Swords and Two of Cups. Aries, with these cards for your daily energies, guys, in your career situation or in your personal life, you are moving towards some kind of partnership, business collaborations, or it may be a person. You are beginning a new relationship, a positive working relationship, and you have a great bonding with this person, deep understanding, good communication with them, and you both love each other, you respect each other, and you care for each other. That is what I see, guys. And in your situation today, Aries, you feel happy and content because of this new opportunities or this relationship, guys. And I also see that you are an honest person. You say what you think in your mind, and your honesty, it may trouble few people because they are hiding some truth from others. So your way of speaking, your open-mindedness may stress them a lot, may make them worry because their truth may also come out. So it may be your person's energy or someone from your career or personal life. They don't like your honesty, they don't like the way you talk with people, and they may think the way you are talking or the way you are behaving, it may be out of your arrogance, and they may feel that you are arrogant and you just want to show off your characteristics. That is the reason you are speaking in such a way. But in truth, you are a very honest and a reliable person. That is the reason you speak the truth. And I also see here that maybe there may be certain troubles because of your honesty, but you will be able to overcome those troubles, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Aries. For your daily reading, for your love reading, please stay tuned. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck. So you can close your eyes, think of the questions you have in your relationship, and you can open and go to that pile, whichever you see first, guys, and make that choice and skip to the timestamp and watch that reading. I'll be giving the timestamp in the description. So this is your first pile and this is your second pile. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start the reading right after that. Okay, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, this is the first deck. We will start with this reading. So 3 cards from this deck. Patience, love. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. And one more card here for y'all. 6 of Earth. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, for your love situation. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy. You both love each other and you both feel that oneness and unity with each other because of that deep connection. Your clear communication may be the reason, and you have love for each other. That deep bond is there in this connection. And today you have to be quite patient, maybe in certain circumstances. If you are patient, if you are willing to hold yourself and go for moderations, all that you are dreaming for, all that you are wishing for yourself, and in this connection you will be able to reach it. So this person loves you and they want you in this connection, and the same way you want them. And but there may be certain circumstances trying to push you over the edge towards anger or some kind of quarrels, resentments, but you have to keep your emotions under check. If you do that, you will be really surprised how things will turn out, and you will see unexpected gifts and unexpected turn of events in this connection, guys. Maybe this person is planning to propose to you. They may come with gifts and proposal, or you may be planning this may be that person's energy. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your love energy. So things are going in a very positive, beautiful way, but it is in your hands to wait for that good things to manifest. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what are the cards with the second deck, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, this is the second card reading. Let us see what are the cards. I'll be picking 3 cards again from this deck. This is the first card, 4 of Suns, 9 of Moons in reverse, and one more card here, guys. It's 5 of Stars. With these cards, guys, the energy for your relationship, for those who have chosen the second deck. Today, maybe you have to be aware of what you communicate to this person. It may be a general energy or in this relationship, guys. So whatever you speak, you have to think clearly before you speak those words, because when you speak, the words spoken cannot be taken back. So sometimes if you remain silent, it will not affect your circumstance, but if some words spoken wrongly, it may affect the way certain things are in this connection, and you may have a few troubles because of that. And I also see that in this relationship, you would have, or they would have neglected you, or you would have neglected them. It may be something of your with your past person, someone who has been neglected by you, or they have neglected you, guys. So someone of that sort, they are coming back to visit you, maybe make amends if that is the circumstance was their mistake. They are coming forward to make amends, say sorry, and move on in life, forget that traumatic relationship they had. And also in this relationship, maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person does not know your worth and they do not respect you. They are humiliating you in some ways, and you may feel anxious, and you may feel that things are not going well for you in this relationship, guys. but I also see that you are trying to overcome that, maybe your past hurt or with this present person, all that negatives that you feel today. You may come to an understanding and you are trying to overcome that, and you may find a common ground between you both to work this relationship, and you are putting in your efforts, and that is what I see. And maybe you may get quite lucky today. Luck may be working, and destiny may be helping you today in this connection. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.